How to verify your Bitget account. So for that, first of all, launch the Bitget application and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, now if your account is not verified yet, in the home page you'll have an option to verify. So tap on verify button. Now you'll be taken into this page. Here it says all the verification requirement, that is your government issued documents, your face recognition verification, and the review time is given there. So once you have all the necessary documents, then tap on verify. Now you have to choose your country or region of residence. Tap on the drop down and select your country. Under that, again select the issuing country and region. Under that, select the type of ID that you will use. Tap on the drop down and now you can choose one from here, that may be your ID card, password, or driving license. Then tap on continue. Now, in order to verify your identity, first of all, you have to take a photo of your ID. So ensure all the details are clear, legible, and all four corners are visible. After that, you have to take a clear photo of yourself without hats, glasses, or face coverings, and ensure that you have good lighting and a steady camera. So to continue that, tap on continue and perform all the necessary instructions. Now, after uploading all your required photos, click on submit verification option. Now, your application status will be displayed as reviewing, and Bitget typically processes application within 1 to 4 hours, and after that your account will be verified. And that's the way to verify your Bitget account, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.